So this chapter is called Hunger. Hunger by Nasira Sharma. এটা Nasira Sharma নাকি? The market was really crowded. The shops were full of items waiting to be sold. Though things were expensive, people were buying them anyway. There was unemployment, but people were eating and drinking. Unemployment ଥାଇ ବି people ଖାଇବା ପିଇବାରେ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ ହେଲା, with thoughts such as these crossing his mind. Okay, so the market was really crowded. The shops were full of items waiting to be sold. Though things were expensive, people were buying them anyway. ତେଣୁ ଏକ୍ସପେନ୍ସିଭ୍ ହେଲେ ବି ସେ ଲୋକ କିଣୁଛନ୍ତି. ଅନଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟମେଣ୍ଟ ଥିଲେ ବି ପିପୁଲ୍ ୱେର୍ ଇଟିଂ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଡ୍ରିଙ୍କିଂ ୱିଥ୍ ଥଟ୍ସ ସଚ୍ ଆଜ୍ ଦିଜ୍. ଏମିତିଆ କଥା ଗୁଡ଼ା ସେ ଭାବୁଛି. କ୍ରସିଂ ହିଜ୍ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ, ତା ମାଇଣ୍ଡରେ ଚାଲୁଛି ହେଲା. ରିଜୱାନ୍ stood at a shop selling cold drinks. ସେ ଯୋଉଠି କୋଲ୍ଡ ଡ୍ରିଙ୍କସ୍ ବିକ୍ରି ହେଉଛି ସେଇ ସପ୍ରେ ସେ କିଣୁଛି ହେଲା, ଏହା ଭାବୁଛି. Looking for someone who worked for a living but was not a shop owner ହେଲା. So looking for someone, କାହାକୁ ଜଣ ସେ ଖୋଜୁଛି. Looking for someone who worked for a living, ସେ କାହା ପାଖରେ କାମ କରୁଛି ହେଲା. But was not a shop owner, ଗୋଟେ ସପ୍ ଓନର କୁ ସେ ଖୋଜୁନି, ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରୁଛି ସେମିତିଆ ଲୋକକୁ ଖୋଜୁଛି. At that instant his eyes fell on a man carrying a load on his head and walking in his direction. Walking in his direction. Okay, at that instant, ସେଇ ସମୟରେ ଠିକ, his eyes fell on a man ହେଲା. ତେଣୁ ସେ ଦେଖିପାରିଲା. କାହାକୁ ଦେଖିଲା? ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକ କ୍ୟାରିଂ ଏ ଲୋଡ୍ ଅନ୍ ହିଜ୍ ହେଡ୍, ତା ମୁଣ୍ଡରେ ଆଣୁଛି and walking in his direction. So walking towards him. Okay, Rizwan quickly went up to him, ତା ପାଖକୁ ପଳେଇଲା and without any greeting, placing a hand on his shoulder, inquired. So without any greeting, ତାକୁ କିଛି କହିନି, ହାଇ କି କିଛି ବି କହିନି ହେଲା. Placing a hand on his shoulder, ତା ଉପରେ ହାତ ରଖିଲା ତା କାନ୍ଧରେ. Inquired, ତାକୁ ପଚାରିଲା. Your name, ତାକୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଟା ପଚାରିଲା. ସେ କ'ଣ ଆନ୍ସର ଦେଲା? କାସିମ. Caught unawares, the middle-aged man stopped. Okay, so ସେ ଲୋକଟା କହିଲା କାସିମ. Caught unawares. Okay, that means caught unawares, the middle-aged man stopped. Okay, caught unawares ହେଲା. That means so Kasim, he told his name. That middle-aged man, he is not a very old man, he stopped. या कहिगिरी अच्छा. प्रोफेशन, ताको से पचारला. प्रोफेशन कौन? सेलिंग ओल्ड क्लोथ्स. से आंसर देला जे आई एम सेलिंग ओल्ड क्लोथ्स. इनकम भी पचारला. 500 रुपीज ए मंथ. आउ कौन क्वेश्चन पचारला ताकू? कैन यू मैनेज विथ दैट? से कौन कहला? यस. व्हाट डू यू लिव, वेयर डू यू लिव? बट तो पचारला वेयर डू यू लिव, कोठी रहउछ? से भी आंसर देला व्हाट इज इट टू यू, तू मु जोठी रहउछि तो कम पाई. ହେଲା ତାକୁ ସେ ହେଠୁ ବୁଝେଇ କହୁଛି ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ଗେଟ୍ ଆଙ୍ଗ୍ରି ଓକେ ଚାଚା ଅଲ୍ ଆଇ ଆସ୍କ୍ଡ ୱାଜ୍ where do you live ମୁଁ ଏତିକି ପଚାରୁଛି କୋଉଠି ରହୁଛ wherever I can find a place ସେ କହୁଛି ଯୋଉଠି ମୁଁ ଜାଗା ମିଳୁଛି ମୁଁ ରହିଯାଉଛି wherever I can find a place family children ଏଠି ତାକୁ ପଚାରିଲା in the village ହେଲା you have land there ତ ପଚାରିଲା land ଅଛି no ତାର land ବି ନାହିଁ do you know the government is helping poor farmers क्वेश्चन पचारला पुअर फार्मर्स को हेल्प करछि बोली गवर्नमेंट जानिछ नो बट हु आर यू ए टॉट और ओके व्हाट मीन बाय टॉट टाउट यू कैन से ओके देखियो एटा नो बट हु आर यू क्वेश्चन पचारछि ए टॉट मे बी गवर्नमेंट somebody टॉट और somebody पचारछि आउ से कहला जर्नलिस्ट चाचा आर यू अफ्रेड ऑफ मी से कहला मु गोटे जर्नलिस्ट नो बट वन नेवर नोज इन दिस प्लेस ओके सेठू कौन कहला अफ्रेड जो पचारला ताकू से कहला नो बट वन नेवर नोज इन दिस प्लेस अच्छा एटार मीनिंग हैला से जर्नलिस्ट कौच जर्नलिस्ट चाचा आई एम ए जर्नलिस्ट आर यू अफ्रेड ऑफ मी कहला नो आई एम नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ यू ओके बट वन नेवर नोज इन दिस प्लेस से कौची टू somebody but one so but you are such a person never knows in this place I have never seen you मु तो तुमको केबे देखिनी एटे ओके ताहले मु केमती ये हेबिनी सेथि पे कहला but one you are the one never knows in this place okay right so nobody knows you सेठ कहूनी जे आई नेवर नो नो थिले तो कहता नो लिखा है प्योरी जना पड़ जाउची जे आई नेवर नो नोज माने somebody केही तो मु देखिनी nobody knows you अच्छा would you like to do farming no से आंसर देला no but why this is my profession asked से कहला मो प्रोफेशन तो एया मु ओल्ड जिंस बिकिबी आस्क योर फादर तो हैला से कहला फादर को पचार चुकी आस्क योर फादर हैला तो फार्मिंग करिवो कि नहीं ही इज टू ओल्ड से आंसर दला आस्क योर ब्रदर वी विल अरेंज फॉर द लैंड हैला तो आस्क तो ताकू पचार गया मु तते हेल्प करबी हैला आई डोंट हैव ए ब्रदर से कहला मोर तो ब्रदर नहीं व्हाट डज योर फादर डू से तो आंसर देला स्टार्व माने भूख करे अछि हैला फादर तो एकुटे अछि से कोन करे तो कहला टू ओल्ड कहला एबे आगोन आंसर देला ही स्टार्व्स ने भोग करे अछि आंसर मी सीरियसली गोजी ये आंसर ताको भल लागिलानी हला भोग करे गोटे कोन गोटे आंसर देला हला से कोजी आंसर मी सीरियसली पचला जर्नलिस्ट आई एम ओनली आंसरिंग योर क्वेश्चन सर से कहला मु तो आंसर देली से कोन करूची पचला तो मु कहली से स्टार भोग करे अछि हला व्हाट डिड योर फादर डू फॉर ए लिविंग से कोजी बंचीबा को कोन करूची से कहला फिजिकल लेबर कोच डिड ही अर्न ए डिसेंट अमाउंट भल पैसा पाउची नो डू यू और ही नो दैट डू यू और ही ओके know that we have a storehouse of petrol. We call it black gold, petrol ଟା ହେଲା। ସେ କହୁଛି no. Who was the Shah? ସେ କହିଲା I don't know. So Shah ବୋଲି କିଏ ପଚାରିଲା। Was the common man happy in his reign? ହେଲା Shah ବୋଲି ବୋଧେ ଗୋଟେ ଶାସନ ଶାସକ ଅଛି ଇଏ କରୁଛି। ସେ କହୁଛି ତା ଶାସନରେ କମନ ମ୍ୟାନ ଅଛି କି ହାପି? ହାଉ would I know anything about this Shah? Shah କିଏ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି। Was your father happy? ଏରା କଣ କଣ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ତାକୁ ପଚାରୁଛି। नो। Did he ever tell you anything? ସେ ତାପରେ କହିଲା yes, he used to talk of his father and how he died of hunger or cold. ହେଲା was your father happy? father happy ଥିଲା କି? no. Did he ever tell you anything? ସେ କେବେ କିଛି କହିଛି କି? yes, he used to talk of his father. He used to talk of his father ମାନେ father କଥା ସେ କହିଛି। ମାନେ ତା ବାପା ମାନେ ୟା ଜେଜେବାପା ବିଷୟରେ ସେ କହିଛି ହେଲା। and how he died ମାନେ ଜେଜେବାପା ମରିଗଲା of hunger or cold। ଭୋକରେ କେମିତି ମରିଥିଲା ସେ ବି ମତେ କହିଛି। anything else ଆଉ କିଛି କହିଛି କି? yes, sorry, his father had told my father that his father had told my father। his father ମାନେ ଜେଜେବାପାର ବାପା my father that his father used to work in somebody's house ହେଲା died of high fever। ଓକେ ଆଉ କଣ କହିଛି ନା his father had told my father that his father ତା ବାପା ବି ହେଲା used to work in somebody's house died of a high fever। ତା ବାପା ବି ସେମିତି ମରିଥିଲା। what did he do? ସେ କଣ ବି କରୁଥିଲା? physical labor। what does your son do? ହେଲା ତା ପୁଅ କଣ କାମ କଲାଣି କି? chase dogs। meaning he is still very young। ସେ କହୁଛି ଛୋଟ ପିଲାଟା ଆଉ plays around in the village। କହୁଛି ଖାଲି କୁକୁର ପଛରେ ତଡୁଛି ହେଲା। will you educate him? ତାକୁ ପଢେଇବୁ? what? କଣ ପଢେଇବୁ? I mean, do you want him to study and become an important man? ହେଲା ସେଠୁ କହିଲା ଆନ୍ସର ଦେଲା ଯେ I will start him in my profession। ସେ କହିଲା I will start him in my profession from next year। କହିଲା next year ତ ମୋ କାମ ସେ କରିବ। why next year? क्वेश्चन ପଚାରିଲା। you will be 5 years old then। ହେଲା ସେ କହିଲା 4 ବର୍ଷର ହେଇଛି 5 ବର୍ଷ ହେଇଗଲା। would you want to take a loan and set up a business? ବିଜନେସ୍ କରିବୁ କି? I am already in debt। ହେଲା ଲୋନ୍ ମୁଁ କଣ ନେବି? ମୁଁ ତ ଋଣ କେତେ ନେଇ ସାରିଲିଣି। how will another loan help? ଲୋନ୍ ନେଇଛି ଆହୁରି ଲୋନ୍ ନେବି ପୁଣି ବୁଡ଼ିବି। will you take help from a bank to settle it? ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରୁ ନେଇକିରି ଏଇ ପଇସାଟା ସୁଝିଦେ ସେଟଲ୍ କରିଦେ। where is the need to take help from anyone? ଏଠି କଣ କହିଲା? where is the need to take help from anyone? କହିଲା ମୋର କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ। ବୁଝିପାରିଲ ନା ନାଇଁ? ଆଚ୍ଛା କଣ ଏଇ ଚାପ୍ଟର ନା ହଙ୍ଗର। ଆଚ୍ଛା well, you could live a more comfortable life। ଭଲ ଲାଇଫ ତୋର ହବ। we work so hard yet କହିଲା ଆମେ ତ ଏତେ କାମ କରୁଛୁ ଆମର ହେଇପାରୁନି। try to understand what I am saying। our new government has sent us to help you. ହେଲା ସେ ପଠେଇଛନ୍ତି to talk to you and to understand your problems so as to give you a better life. ତମକୁ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ better life ଦବୁ. I don't want it, ମୋର ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. But why? ସେ ପଚାରିଲା. We were asked a lot of questions last time too. And then after the procession, nobody remembered anything. ତାଙ୍କର ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରସେସନ ବୋଧେ ହେଇଛି, ଗୋଟେ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ପ୍ରସେସନ ହେଲା, ସେଠି ତାଙ୍କୁ କୁହାଯାଇଛି ବହୁତ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍, ବଟ୍ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଦି ପ୍ରସେସନ ନୋବଡି ରିମେମ୍ବର୍ଡ ଏନିଥିଙ୍ଗ, ସବୁ ଭୁଲିଗଲେ ସବୁ କଥା. ଇଟ୍ ୱୋଣ୍ଟ ହାପନ୍ ଦିସ୍ ଟାଇମ୍, ସେ କହିଲା ଏଇଟା ଏଥର ହବନି. We slept hungry that night. ସେ କହିଲା ସେଦିନର କଥା ଯେ we slept hungry that night. Why? Because ये आंसर ଦଉଛି because all day we were shouting slogans instead of working. ସେଦିନ ତ ଆମେ ସ୍ଲୋଗାନ ଦେଲୁ ନା, କାମ କରି ଗଲୁ କି ହେଲା. Really? Question come. Now it's time for my work. Salam. ହେଲା ମୁଁ ଯିବି. ସଲାମ କଲା. Wait a minute, ଚାଚା. ସେ କହିଲା no sir, there must be some laborers near the ditch. Ditch ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଖୋଳା ହଉଛି. There must be some laborers near the ditch right now wanting to buy some warm clothes. ସେ କହୁଛି there must be some laborers near the ditch. ଓକେ, କୋଉଠି ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ଡ୍ରେନ୍ ଫ୍ରେନ୍ କି କ'ଣ ହେଲା, near the ditch. Now wanting to buy some warm clothes. ମୋର ବେପାର ହବ, ମୁଁ ଯିବି, ସେମାନେ କିଣିବେ. All right then, you give me your address so I can bring the form for you to fill up and submit. ହେଲା, so I can bring the form. ମୁଁ ଫର୍ମ କିଣିକି ଧରିକି ଆସିବି. ଟୁ ଫିଲ୍ ଅପ୍, ତୁ ତାକୁ ଫିଲ୍ କରିବୁ, ସବମିଟ୍ କରିବୁ ହେଲା. Why? ସେ ପଚାରିଲା କାହିଁକି. At times I sleep in front of some shop. Okay, sorry, ये जो ଚାଚା ଆନ୍ସର ଦେଲା, what address should I give you? ମୁଁ ତତେ କୋଉ ଆଡ୍ରେସ୍ ଦେବି, ମୋର ତ କିଛି ଆଡ୍ରେସ୍ ନାହିଁ. Why? ଆଡ୍ରେସ୍ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ନାହିଁ. At times ବେଳେ ବେଳେ ହେଲା, I sleep in front of some shop. shop ଆଗରେ ଶୋଉଛି. Sometimes under the bridge, bridge ତଳେ ଶୋଉଛି. I see, so let's meet here tomorrow. ସେ କହିଲା ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ଏଇଠି ଭେଟିବା କାଲି. ସେଠୁ ଆନ୍ସର ଦେଲା tomorrow I am going to my village. ମୁଁ ତ ମୋ ଗାଁକୁ ପଳେଇବି. ଏଠୁ ସେ କହୁଛି then କେବେ ଭେଟିବା କୁହ. Okay, now it's time for me to start work. ନା ମୁଁ ଯିବି କହୁଛି ହେଲା. ତାକୁ ସେ ପୁଣି ଡାକିଲା, କହିଲା listen, ତାକୁ ଡାକିଲା. The rag seller did not stop. ସେ ପଳେଇଲା and carrying his wares on his shoulder. Okay, ସେ ଯୋଉଟା ବିକୁଛି ଯୋଉ ଜିନିଷ, wares on his shoulder, he moved on. he moved on, ସେ ଚାଲିଲା. Taking long strikes, ବହୁତ ପାହୁଣ୍ଡଟା ଜୋର ଜୋର ପକେଇଲା, ବଡ଼ ବଡ଼ ପାହୁଣ୍ଡ ପକେଇ ଗଲା. ରିଜୱାନ watched him helplessly. ରିଜୱାନ କ'ଣ କରିବ ଆଉ, ତାକୁ ଖାଲି ଅନେଇଛି. ହେଲ୍ପଲେସ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ସେ. Only today he had found a job for himself through an acquaintance in the Kihan newspaper. ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ କହିଲା, only today he had found a job for himself. Only today he had found a job for himself through an acquaintance. ଜଣକ ଥ୍ରୁରେ ହେଲା, ଜଣକ ଥ୍ରୁରେ. ଆକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ମାନେ ଜଣେ ଚିହ୍ନା ଲୋକ. ଥ୍ରୁରେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ପାଇଛି ଜବ୍. ଓନ୍ଲି ଟୁଡେ ହି ହାଡ୍ ଫାଉଣ୍ଡ ଏ ଜବ୍. ଆଜି ପାଇଁ ଖାଲି ପାଇଛି. ଇନ୍ ଦି କିହାନ ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ପେପର, ଗୋଟେ ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ପେପର ଅଛି, ସେଇଥିରେ ସେ ପାଇଛି ଗୋଟେ ଜର୍ଣ୍ଣାଲିଷ୍ଟ ଆଜି ଦିନଟା ପାଇଁ। ଓନ୍ଲି ଟୁଡେ ହି ହ୍ୟାଡ ଫାଉଣ୍ଡ ଏ ଜବ୍ ଫର ହିମସେଲ୍ଫ ଫର ଆନ୍ ଆକ୍ୱେଣ୍ଟାନ୍ସ ଇନ୍ ଦି, ଆଜି ପାଇଛି, ଆଜି ଦିନଟା ନାହିଁ, ଆଜି ପାଇଛି ହେଲା। ହି ହ୍ୟାଡ ବିନ୍ ଗିଭେନ୍ ୱାର୍କ ଅନ୍ ଦି କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ହି ଉଡ୍ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରିବ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ଏ ଫ୍ୟୁ ଆର୍ଟିକଲ୍ସ। ତାକୁ କୁହାଯାଇଛି that you contribute, ତମକୁ ଦବାକୁ ହବ few articles, କିଛି ଦିଅ, and then he shall be considered for the job। ତାକୁ ହେଲା, ତାକୁ କୁହାଯାଇଛି ତମେ କିଛି ଆର୍ଟିକଲ ଦିଅ, ତାପରେ ଯାଇକି ତମେ କିଛି ଲେଖା ଦେଲେ ତମକୁ କନସିଡର କରାଯିବ ହେଲା ଫର ଦି ଜବ୍। ଆଜି ନହେଲେ ମୋର ଛୁଟି ହେଇଯିବ ହେଲା। he had been told to submit interviews with 5 people along with their names and addresses। 5ଟା ଲୋକ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ତାକୁ କୁହାଯାଇଛି। he had been told to submit interviews, ମାନେ କ'ଣ ଆର୍ଟିକଲ କ'ଣ ତାର ହବ ନା ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ଲୋକଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ହେଲା। ଲୋକଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଯେଉଁ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ନେବ ୱିଥ୍ 5 ପିପୁଲ, 5ଟା ଲୋକଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଜାଗାରେ ସେ ନେବ, along with their names and addresses। ଖାଲି ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁରେ କ'ଣ କହିଲେ ଆଣିବନି, ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଆଡ୍ରେସ୍ ଧରିକି ଆସିବ ହେଲା। It was difficult enough to identify these people in this crowded market। କାହା ପାଖେ ସମୟ ଅଛି ତ ତା କଥା ଶୁଣିବ ବୋଲି? To make them talk was an ordeal ହେଲା। ସୋ ଏଠି ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ଇଏ ଭେରି ହାର୍ଡ ୱାର୍କ, ordeal ମାନେ କ'ଣ ହାର୍ଡ ୱାର୍କ ହେଲା। ତେଣୁ ଟୁ ମେକ୍ ଦେମ୍ ଟକ୍, ତାଙ୍କୁ ଧରିକିରି କଥା ହେବା, ଇଟ୍ସ ଭେରି ଡିଫିକଲ୍ଟ। The evening was turning dark। ମାନେ ରାତି ହେଇ ଆସିଲାଣି। Rizwan was thinking of the unending problems back home ହେଲା। What he was thinking of? He was thinking of the unending problems back home। ତା ଘରେ ବି କିଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ୍ସ ଅଛି ତାର ହେଲା। So he was thinking about that। His mother was ill, his father had died almost 2 years ago, and his 2 younger brothers had to drop out of school। तो ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ବାହାର କରି had to, ତାଙ୍କୁ ବାହାର କରିଦିଆ ହେଇଛି, drop out of school, ତାଙ୍କୁ ପାଠ ପଢି ପାରିଲେନି। His mother was ill, his father had died almost 2 years ago, and his 2 younger brothers had to drop out। ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ drop out of the school, ସେ ସ୍କୁଲ ଯାଇପାରିଲେନି। It seemed now it was time to starve। ସେ ବି ଦେଖିଲାଣି, it seemed now, ତାକୁ ଲାଗିଲାଣି it was time to starve, ସେ ଯୋଉ ଭୋକରେ ସେ ରହିବେ ହେଲା। Rizwan looked at his watch, ତା ଘଣ୍ଟା ଦେଖିଲା, it was exactly 6 o'clock, 6ଟା ବାଜିଛି। At 7 he was to submit the first interview at the news office। ଆଜିର ଯୋଉ ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁଟା ସେ ଦେବାକୁ ପଡିବ ତାକୁ ଯାଇକି। ଡିଜେକ୍ଟେଡ ମାନେ କେତେ ଘଣ୍ଟା ପରେ ଘଣ୍ଟା ସେ ତାକୁ କୁହାଯାଇଛି ତ, ତେଣୁ ସେ ଡିଜେକ୍ଟେଡ, ତାକୁ ପୁରା ଖରାପ ଲାଗିଲାଣି, ଡିଜେକ୍ଟେଡ। he looked ହେଲା, he looked around ହେଲା, he looked around, ଚାରିଆଡେ ଦେଖିଲା, and started walking with tired steps। ଏଠୁ ଚାଲିଲା ଆରମ୍ଭ କଲା, with tired steps, ଧୀରେ ଧୀରେ ଚାଲିଲା, ଟାୟାର୍ଡ ହେଇଯାଇଛି। ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ବି ସେ ଟାୟାର୍ଡ ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା। he had not eaten anything since morning। କିଛି ବି ଖାଇନି। his pocket was empty except for the bus pass ହେଲା, ତା ପକେଟରେ ବି କିଛି ନାହିଁ, ଖାଲି ବସ୍ ପାସ୍ ଖଣ୍ଡକ ଅଛି ହେଲା। On reaching the office he exchanged greetings and sat down in a corner ହେଲା। So he exchanged greetings, good evening, whatever ହେଲା। ସେ ଏକ୍ସଚେଞ୍ଜ କଲା ସେ ଗ୍ରିଟିଂସ୍ and sat down in a corner, ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ କର୍ଣ୍ଣରରେ ଯାଇ ବସିଲା। वेयर इज द इंटरव्यू पचरा हला तक इट इज हियर सर ताको से कहला इटा सर ओके पुट योर नेम ऑन इट एंड लीव इट ऑन द टेबल ताको हला तो ना ऊपर लिखी दे पुट योर नेम ऑन इट एंड लीव इट ऑन द टेबल हला छाड़ी जा बारी यस सर सेड रिजवान बोला बारी he thought for a minute हला भाबिला कौन and then wrote his own name and address on Kasim's interview and drew a deep breath. Okay, so then he wrote his own name and address on Kasim's interview. से लिखिदेला निजर नेम और एड्रेस एंड ड्यू ए डीप ब्रेथ निजर लिखी पड़ेगा बुझिपारे कि अच्छा when he came out he had the satisfaction of knowing that he would be coming for work next day है तेणु when he came out he had the satisfaction of knowing that हाँ when he came out से भी घर को फेरला ना से जिते बाहर ऑफिस रु he had the satisfaction of knowing that जानी पारला कौन जानी पारला जे ताकू पुणी नेक्स्ट डे आसिया को किसी असुविधा नहीं कहला तुम आस नेक्स्ट डे है दैट ही वुड बी कमिंग फॉर वर्क द नेक्स्ट डे है नेक्स्ट डे पुणी काम को आसो बट द प्रोब्लेम ऑफ फाइंडिंग अनदर नेम एंड एड्रेस फॉर टुमोरो आज तो ता निज ना लिखी दे दीची निज ना निज एड्रेस लिखी दे दीची है तो काली कौन करियो The problem of finding another name and address for tomorrow was already beginning to worry him. है आज सब भाविलानी जे कौन करिवो काली है He shook his head as though telling himself who knows what all may happen tomorrow. He shook his head. है ता मुंडटा हलेला है आज दो टेलिंग हिमसेल्फ जमती से कहूची निजू कहूची है हिमसेल्फ हु नोज व्हाट ऑल मे हैपन टुमोरो ए कथाटा से कहूची से कथाटा कहूची निजू को निजे हु नोज व्हाट ऑल मे हैपन टुमोरो काली कौन हम किए जानी है ए कथाटा कहीकि ये मुंड हलुची निजू निजे if he is still alive surely he would find a way है से कहूची जे if he is still alive काली जदि बंची थी से है बंचवार पॉसिबिलिटी अच्छी जोर तेणु he is still alive लिखा he where लिखा है बुझिपारछ he is still alive surely he would find a way है से गोटे कर काली बंचिक कर निजे निजे भावुची है तार एटा कॉन्फिडेंस आसे स्टोमक वाज ग्नोइंग ओके विथ हंगर पैंग्स ओके स्टोमक वाज ग्नोइंग विथ हंगर पैंग्स he was exhausted and famished and now he simply wanted to reach home and as quickly as possible. So he was exhausted तार तो पूरा टायर्ड हो जाइए ना and famished okay and now he simply wanted to reach home and home as quickly as possible है देख लो देखिए ये दीटा वर्ड कौन फर्स्ट वर्ड कौन अच्छा ग्नो स्टोमक वाज ग्नोइंग GNAW